I'm Divishikha. Welcome to Radio Bharati. Let's begin the top news updates of the day. The headlines: PM Modi reviews infrastructure projects, TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan and cyber fraud cases at Pragati meeting. India-China border trade while Lipu Lake Pass in Uttarakhand to resume after 6 years. 26 trade passes issued. 7.5 magnitude earthquake strikes Venezuela. Structures collapse in Caracas. Most Asian stock market indices, and on a positive note, global crude oil prices reached their lowest level in nearby 4 months. Hockey India announces 24-member junior women's squad for UK Exposure Tour. Brazil top Group C, Morocco reach knockout stage at FIFA World Cup. Hockey India announces 24-member junior women's squad for UK Exposure Tour. Now news in brief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the 52 meeting of Pragati, the ICT-enabled platform for proactive governance and timely implementation in New Delhi. The first batch of 26 Indian traders is expected to enter the Chinese territory of Tibet through Lipu Lake Pass in Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand tomorrow. Marking the resumption of border trade after a gap of 6 years, Trade Officer and Dharachula Sub-Divisional Magistrate Ashish Joshi said that 26 trade passes have been issued, which includes 17 traders and 9 helpers. A custom office has also been opened at Gunji to facilitate the process. Mr. Joshi informed that traders have already stored their goods in warehouses at villages near the Lipu Lake Pass. In Venezuela, a powerful earthquake of magnitude 7.2 hit Gumre town in the state of Yarake this morning. According to the US Geological Survey, this earthquake was the second event in a doublet. Earlier, an earthquake of magnitude 7.2 hit San Felipe in Venezuela, which was the first event in doublet. The magnitude 7.2 for shock was followed just 39 seconds later by a larger 7.5 main shock. Most Asian stock market indices ended on a positive note today. South Korea's Kospi surged 3.3%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index gained 0.3%, Singapore's Straits Times Index ended 0.2% up, and China's Shanghai Composite added 0.1%. In contrast, Taiwan's Tax shed 2.2% and Japan's Nikkei 225 dropped 0.9%. Global crude oil prices slumped today, reaching their lowest level in nearly 4 months. Brent crude was trading almost 3% down at $74 and 80% per barrel. West Texas Intermediate crude was also trading more than 2.8% down at $71 and 12% per barrel at the time of the last report. Hockey India has announced the 24-member Indian junior women's squad for the Exposure Tour of the United Kingdom from 5th to 14th of next month. Under its new coach, Tim White, the team will play 7 matches across Scotland and England as part of its preparation for upcoming international competitions, including the Junior Asia Cup. In football, Morocco stormed into the knockout rounds, beating Haiti 4-2 in an entertaining Group C clash in Atlanta this morning. Haiti will exit the tournament frustrated to not have come up with more. Morocco's Achraf Hakimi was named the man of the match for his 1 goal and 1 assist. Hockey India was announced the 24-member Indian junior women's squad for the Exposure Tour of the United Kingdom from 5th to 14th of next month. Under its new coach Tim White, the team will play 7 matches across Scotland and England as a part of its preparation for upcoming international competitions, including the Junior Asia Cup.